So you'll see how AI helps fix errors, handle missing information, and keep data accurate and ready for analysis. We'll see how to ask Claude to generate a small dataset and perform a few essential preparation tasks. So let's begin. Now I'm asking for a store purchases dataset with different fields. So I'm just gonna copy and paste my prompt, and then you can see that I'm asking Claude to generate a dataset with different fields, and I'm also specifying the data types. So I will just press enter, and I can see that in just a few seconds, Claude generates and creates also an artifact. So this is an interactive panel on the right, and it's a fully working app and not just text. So we will got a summary stats at the very top with color-coded departments, and I can also paginate through all the records. As you can see, here I have my summary, I have the number of records, the total revenue, and the average order value. So since this demo is about data cleansing and fixing inconsistent data, I will create a slightly messy dataset, so one with missing values that we can clean. I will type another prompt. So I will ask Claude to generate 50 records using the same columns, but to include 3 missing values in total value. So you'll see that in the artifact, now a few cells has missing values, and I can scroll a bit down to look for the not available values in these records that are highlighted in yellow. Now I need to handle these missing values. So I want Claude to recalculate the averages and fills the blanks. I'm gonna use this prompt, identify and fill any missing values in the datasets. So then Claude can return the updated table. And we'll see that again, in just a few seconds, Claude will reproduce the table. So here we can see that missing values have been imputed. So essentially, Claude fixed the missing values. Now I also want to remove any duplicates. So I'm gonna use another prompt to ask Claude to detect and remove any duplicates rows from the datasets. So in our datasets, no duplicates were found, so Claude didn't remove any duplicates. Now I just want to standardize categorical text. So I want to make sure that the categories look neat. So I'm gonna ask and write down another prompt to make sure that the values in the department and payment type, they use this consistent capitalization. In the next lesson, we'll move from small examples to full synthetic data generation.
Thank you for watching. This was just a small bite of what you can learn on SheAI.com. If you want to go deeper into this topic or the vast world of AI, check out our courses designed to give you practical knowledge that you can start applying today. Find the link to join in video description below. Before you go, if you got any value from this video and want to support our mission of closing the gender gap through AI literacy and education, please give it a quick like and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support.